welcome back to my channel. God bless you. Today we're gonna do this song, a 736 in the key of F sharp. So it goes like, I'm gonna use this song. Unto Jesus I surrender, unto Him I do. Okay, so let me just quickly show you those chords. So I was playing a one chord, unto Jesus, so F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, B flat, C sharp, F sharp, B flat. So unto Jesus. Then this 7 chord. So left hand F and E flat, right hand A, C sharp, D sharp, and A flat. Then I did re. So I did a okay. So I did after this chord I did B flat on the left. You can add the F. Then on your right you have a B flat, E flat, F and B flat. So then the left, D, right, A flat diminished chord. That's A flat, B, D and F. So but I'm doing something like. So I'm doing between D and E flat. B also and C, so B, back, forward, back. So unto Jesus I surrender. Then E flat, B flat, F sharp, B flat on the right, B flat, D flat, F unto better. So I'm doing this chord on 5. So my one chord, F sharp dominant 7, that's F sharp and E. Then on your right you have a B flat, E flat, and A flat. So then your 4. So let's look at it. Unto Jesus I surrender. Let me add a string to that and let's hear how it sounds. So unto Jesus I surrender, unto Thee I truly. God bless you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Alright, love you. Bye.